Hey, it's your girl That Girl Creates, and if this is your first time in my corner of the universe, hi, welcome. And if you've been here before, hey Creative Collective. Today I want to give you the top 5 game day foods, just veganized. Now I know everybody's going to be quarantining at home and staying in their own respective homes, right? Okay, just making sure. If you're not, I would say that's your business, but it's not. It's everybody's business, so be smart. If you have a large family or just very hungry people in your household, then this video is for you. I'm gonna go through classic game day snacks, just veganized. We're doing pizza, we're doing wings, aka cauliflower bites. We're doing chips and dip. We're doing vegan buffalo chicken dip. And of course, we're doing nachos. What's the party without nachos? If you're the one that's always cooking, go ahead and send this to your peoples because these snacks are easy enough for anybody to make. Tell them you're off duty. So I asked IG what they like to eat on game day, and I got pretty standard answers. The only thing that kind of threw me off was the 7-layer bean dip. I just imagined a room full of farts while people have their mouths open, watching the game in anticipation. I don't know, maybe that's just me. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe so I know you're in the Creative Collective. All right, let's get started because I'm hungry. So pizzas are always easy to make. I like to make mine personalized by putting them on naan bread. What I made was barbecue chicken pizza and it was fire. Like, that's probably one of my favorite pizzas to eat, even before being plant-based. And you can't have pizza without wings. Don't worry, the birds are safe. These are just some delectable cauliflower bites. When I tell y'all,
Delicioso.
the perfect crisp, the perfect crunch, the sauce was just, it was just everything. It was just everything. Roller tapes. JK, because I lost the footage. So what you just saw was from my wellness Instagram, which you should follow. But anyway, I'll leave in the description box how I made these buffalo bites. Didn't get enough of your heat fix? Dip into some vegan buffalo chicken dip. Y'all, I feel like I'm saying this for everything, but when it tastes like that, you don't gotta go back. You don't gotta go back. The perfect heat, the coolness of the ranch, the vegan ranch. Want some more dip? Dip into some traditional chips and salsa, mango salsa might I add, and some guac. But if chips are too boring for you, go ahead and get into these nachos. Just like pizza, the toppings are endless. I usually do crumbles or walnut meats, corn, black beans, of course my salsa, guac, sometimes sour cream, but Keena doesn't like it, so whew. Well, now that we're all stuffed, I'm gonna go ahead and head out. Let me know in the comments what your favorite Super Bowl food is. And if you try one of these recipes, let me know how you liked them. My personal favorite, I think, is that vegan buffalo chicken dip because I just was not expecting it to be that fire. Like, I truly wasn't. And I always love me a good nacho. I always love pizza. I'm gonna say all of these were my favorites. I just can't choose. I'm sorry. I can't choose. I know it's not fair. The game is rigged, if you didn't know that. And also let me know what you're making this year. What you got in your list. There's still time. If you haven't already gone to the store, there's still time to make these recipes. Don't sleep on them. Don't sleep on them. If you made any of the recipes in the video, let me know in the comment section, because I just want to know that I did a good job. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye Creative Collective.